So you need a new Yahoo email account, but you want to get it set up fast without the hassle. You're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a brand new account right on your phone or computer. Please make sure you stick around till the very end because I'm going to show you a hidden trick to set up a Yahoo account using the email address you already have, like your Gmail. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head straight over to yahoo.com. Once you're there, look up at the right top corner of your screen and tap on sign in. Now, if you already have an old account, you might be logged in. Just log out really quick. To get our new one started, just click on the button that says create an account. Go ahead and type in your full name. The possibility that the email address you want may not be available. Don't panic. Yahoo has millions of users, so you need to be unique. Try adding some custom numbers at the end, maybe a memorable year or your favorite digits, until you get that satisfying green check mark. That check mark means the email is 100% yours. Next, lock it down with a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long, then pop in your date of birth. Sometimes Yahoo doesn't strictly require this, but it's highly recommended for account recovery in case you ever get locked out. Once all your info is filled out, go ahead and hit the next button at the bottom. Now remember that trick I promised you at the beginning of the video? If you look closely at the very bottom of that sign up page, there's an option to use your existing email addresses. That means if you already have a Gmail, Outlook, or iCloud email, you can actually create a Yahoo account tied to that specific address without having to manage a brand new Yahoo inbox. And it's that easy. If this video helped you get your account set up, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tips. See you in the next one.